Introducing the Zenith 835 paper drill, a versatile hand tool designed for making clean holes through a wide range of materials. This drill is excellent for use on paper, board, leather, plastic film, and other soft materials, making it a reliable choice for both studio and workshop settings. The drill features a durable, ergonomically shaped plastic body and interchangeable hollow point drill bit tips, 3, 4, and 5.5 millimeters, with additional bits available separately. Each bit is inserted into the body, and with firm pressure and a simple twisting motion, much like turning a door handle, you can create a smooth drilling action straight through your material. Unlike tapered punches, these bits have straight sides, ensuring the holes remain consistent in size even when working through thicker stacks. Made in Italy, this tool is designed to perform with precision and ease. Simply press down firmly, twist generously, and you'll achieve clean, accurate holes in everything from paper to corrugated board. The Zenith 835 paper drill, compact, effective, and built for makers who value both quality and control.